myself Sanjoli Jain, a PGDM student at BIMTech. Today we are thrilled to have Ms. Sumitha Shenoi. She is the Assistant Vice President at WTW in the Property and Casualty Department. She has 15 plus years of experience in the insurance domain, and she has worked with top brands like Aon and WTW. How are you feeling, ma'am?
I'm good, Sanjoli. Thank you.
So, can you please share us about your journey and how have your career evolved over the past 10 years?
Yeah, so I started my career. I did a course in management and insurance from a college called Shenoi Business School. And from there, my first placement was with Willis. So it was in Willis in Dubai. And to be honest, I was very unaware of the broking world. So my entry into broking happened through Willis. And I worked in Dubai office for almost 3 years. And then moved back to India and joined Aon and worked there for a couple of years. And I would say the markets are very different. Be it Dubai and Indian market are extremely different. But then I found my foot here, joined WTW 5 years back, and I have grown exponentially, I would say, as a person in my career and the kind of networks that I have made within the industry, all thanks to this organization. So I started my journey as a manager and then grew the scale, and right now I'm heading the network business for WTW in the North region.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
So moving on to the next question, how do you see insurance domain evolving over the next 10 years?
Okay, insurance I think is an industry to be in right now. So I was quoting in today when I was interacting with the first years as well that our head of India, Mr. Vivek Nath, gave us a very, very candid anecdote like, India being the economy that's growing at the pace it is growing, and insurance sector growing at 15% growth year on year. Just being a part of the sector, being the part of the journey that the sector and India is going through, it's a great place to be. We are seeing innovation and creativity in multiple lines of businesses, and it's very exciting times to be in this particular industry right now.
Okay, so lastly, I would like to ask if a student wants to get into the same industry, what advice would you like to give to students who can start with insurance domain?
I think my advice would be to be extremely passionate about it, try to read about it, and try to speak to the right people, get as many internships as you can, speak to your seniors, because we have a lot of people who are our bosses from BIMTech, like I have team members from BIMTech. So I think you are at the right place. Speak to your colleagues, speak to your peers, and probably reach out to the right people and do as many internships.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. It was wonderful having you here, and thank you for sharing your journey and experience with us. Thank you.